and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and I post workout videos for figure skaters who want to stay fit or for people who are inspired by figure skaters and want to stay fit like them, or for anyone who wants to get a good workout in. Today we're going to be doing a little ballet workout for the full body. Some Pilates moves are going to get in there, but mainly more balletic. So we're going to start off with the arms and a little bit of a warm-up routine for the upper body just to get everything warmed up. So just standing however you want to, we're just going to start to roll those shoulders back nice and slowly, feeling like you're moving through that entire shoulder joint. And now going forward, same thing. Good. Now let's just bring our head to the side, and then we're just gonna draw a half circle down. And then coming to the other side, drawing that half circle down. And let's do one last one. Come back to center, and let's just start with big circles going forward with our arms. So just warming up those shoulders. And just think about this already being a very soft movement, stretching your arms back, but allowing those arms to kind of bend, the elbows to bend as the arms come forward. Last one. And let's go back. So now we're kind of rounding out those arms and then opening our chest as the arms go back. And you can kind of follow this movement if you'd like with your head. So following your hands. Let's do 4 more. And last one. And now let's just bring our feet together, and we're just gonna come down into our knees, slowly coming up and doing that nice movement we just did with the circles back, down into your knees, coming back up and down. And last one. And release. Okay, so we're just going to start off, sorry, it's a little bit itchy. We're going to start off with doing a little bit of arm movements, and then we're going to add the legs to it. So we're first just going to bring our arm forward in a nice rounded position here in front of our body. So a little bit in between our hip and our shoulder. The other one's gonna be stretched to the side, and we're just kind of bringing it to the other side, side to side, like so. Good. Now come back to center, bring your arms into first position. We're gonna open, close, open, close. Keeping those shoulders down, thinking somebody's pulling a string from your head, so you're really lengthening here. And last one. Good. Now come up to your 5th position, back to first. So you're already gonna feel your arms, your shoulders really firing up here. Good. And now hold in your 5th position. You're gonna bring your arm down and back to 5th. Then the other side. So palm is facing down, then palm comes back up. And 5 more. and finish. Good. Now we're gonna drop one arm down. This time we're going to now do a little bit for those obliques. So open your feet hip width apart. You can keep a soft knee bend if you want to, but you don't have to. We're gonna inhale, exhale, engage those abs. Inhale, exhale, come to the side. Release those arms. Exhale the other side. Inhale, second position. Exhale, one arm up and one down. Let's go for one more. Now hold here, and we're gonna take little pulses to that same side. Just the upper body, now hold. Let's release, come again to the side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last two. Last one. Now hold it here. And again, little pulses. Breathing naturally here. Keeping your head up, so don't let it drop down to the shoulders. Think about a nice long neck. Now hold it here. Come back to center. Bring your arms into a first position. And we're just going to keep those knees a little bit bent. And we're just gonna go side to side while our upper body stays forward. So just the arms. So you're gonna feel a nice activation in those abs. Good. Going for 20 of these. And now we're gonna add our leg. So we go twist, twist, up, twist, twist, up. And let's add a little bit more arm movement. So we let go of the arms, back to your first position, let go. First position, let go. And the arm that's always in front is opposite to the leg that is lifted. Feel those abs. Last two. Last one. And finish. Good. Let's keep our legs hip width apart and slightly open them out. We're gonna take a nice cross lunge or diagonal lunge and coming back and forth. So we're going to bring our same arm that is the free leg that's going back. So the free leg that goes back, the same arm stays forward. That made more sense. So let's get into it. We're gonna inhale, exhale, come down, bending both knees, come back to center, other side. So your arm in front is rounding, the other one is slightly back and it's stretched. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. Keep going. Last two. And last one. Stay on that left side, and you're just going to bring your hands in front of you. You're going to release one to the side, then come back to center, release the other one, center. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can follow your arm if you want to. Your back leg is facing forward. The front leg is slightly turned out. Last two. And last one. Hold your arms in first. Take little pulses here. Your body is slightly hinged forward here. And 10 more. Good. Keep going. We're almost there. Hold. Now you're gonna jump into your passe. Ooh, la la. Come with your arms into fifth position. Then back with your arms in first position into that lunge, diagonal lunge, back into your passe. And passe. There we go. That balance is much better now. Sometimes it takes a couple of times for you to overshoot it before you get it right. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. Two more. Last one. Hold in your passe. Just release one arm down, the other one up, the other one down. So really working this glute. Stay lifted in your hips. And four more. Last one. And release it. Good. Just take a nice stretch with your body up. And let's just fold ourselves down, keeping our knees bent, and just hang here. You can open your feet up to a hip width apart position if you'd like. Now keep your knees bent, and let's start to slowly come up. And take your arms into a nice fifth position. Open to the sides, a little wave, and release. Okay, we're now going to do that all to the other side. So once again, coming with your legs hip width apart, feet are slightly turned out, and we're gonna start with the other side, the left side. So we're gonna inhale, exhale down. Arms release, one comes in front, always opposite to the standing leg or same as your free leg. Inhale, exhale. Stretch your body, then hinge your body. Last two, after this one. Now hold it here, keep that body hinged forward. Bring your both arms in front of you. You're gonna open one to the side, back to center, open the other one. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good, we've got 6 more. Keep that front leg nice and bent. And last 2. And hold here with your arms at center, little pulses. I know that leg is burning, but we're almost there. 20 of these. And last 10. Hold it. And now let's come up to our passe, arms in fifth, back with your arms in first. And passe. First. Inhale, exhale up. Inhale, exhale up. Last 2. And last 1. Hold it in your passe. Release one arm down and up, down and up. Inhale, exhale. I know that glute is burning. 4 more. Last 2. And last 1. Good. Come down with your feet together. Arms come out to the side and just jump, not jump, go down. And we're just gonna hold here. You can bring your legs hip width apart, keep your knees bent, and just take a quick little breather. And now just lift your head up and let's just come down onto the mat. And we're gonna do a little bit of our abs. So we're going to swing those legs around. We're gonna bring our knees to a nice bent position. And we're gonna do a few C-curve abs. So every time we're back, we wanna keep that pelvis under, hips to your ribs. We're gonna bring our arms forward first, then we inhale, exhale, we're gonna come back and bring our arms into a nice first position. Inhale, exhale back. Keep a nice posture here. Really work with your breath. Last 2. And last one, our 8th one. Hold it here, and you're going to twist your body, center, twist to the other side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last two. And last one. Now let's take it double time. So twist, twist, twist. Really, exhale, exhale. Let's go for 10 more. And center, release your hands and slowly start to come onto your back. Grab a hold of your knees and let's just shake out those legs a little bit. We're gonna come for our final series of exercises. We're gonna take our dead bug abs and we're gonna do it with a nice flowy arms going back, okay? And since this is a ballet workout, I really want you to focus on pointing your toes here. If you get a cramp, just let it go. Come back when you're ready. So bring your legs into tabletop, flattening out those abs, keeping your lower back on the mat, but not putting all this pressure into your pelvic floor and bringing the abs upwards. We want them to go downwards. So knees are in line with the hips. We're going to bring our arms up and we're just going to inhale, bring our right toes onto the mat, left arm back, exhale, come back. And again, let's add that flowy kind of arm. Inhale, exhale. 4 and 5, 6. Keep going, inhale, exhale. Last one. Now you can keep doing this or you can stretch your leg like I am. You don't have to go so low with your stretched leg. You can just go here and back to center. Just do your best. Still inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last two. And last one. Good. Let's just bring our upper body up in this tabletop. Just hold it here. And just release. And let's just stretch our legs out, stretching our arms behind our head. And then just bringing one foot onto your knee, opening up that hip, bending the other knee under. And we're just gonna take our number 4 pose. So just squeezing everything to the chest, squeezing and stretching out that glute. Then release, and let's take it to the other side. And release. And let's just roll ourselves up. And we are finished for today. Thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you had a wonderful time, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.